Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have a powered USB hub and the right adapters. This prevents underpowered peripherals. Next, plug the hub into AC power before connecting devices so voltage is stable. Connect your keyboard first, USB-A or wire adapter, then the mouse, because keyboard input can help confirm basic connectivity. Once done, leave any wireless dongle in the nearest hub port rather than the back of the computer for stronger signal reception. Once your physical connections are made, plug the hub into the computer's USB host port, prefer USB 3.0 for higher throughput. You should watch for automatic driver installation. If the OS doesn't recognize a device, open Device Manager and update or reinstall the driver. Make sure any vendor utility for the hub or keyboard is running. Then test typing and mouse movement in a simple text editor to confirm both devices send input and aren't conflict. To finish, tidy cables and place the hub where wireless dongles have a clear path to the keyboard and mouse. If you experience lag, prioritize powered hub ports and swap ports on the host to isolate bandwidth or power issues. A bad cable can also cause dropouts. If things still fail, power cycle the hub. Unplug its power, disconnect all peripherals, reconnect the hub, then add devices one at a time to find the culprit. This single troubleshooting step resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.